you could just play like this. I think you like that first version much better. I'm actually playing this song next weekend, and I'm so excited for it because it's just so beautiful. I mean, it really leads you to the arms of the Father, and it's just wow. So this song was so hard to figure out. I really had to just sit and try and figure out the chords, figure out the melody line, but I'm here to show you exactly how to make it sound just beautiful. So we're going to start out with the first chord of the verse, and it's B. And then you have this F sharp chord. And it looks like this because instead of playing F sharp here, we're going to be taking this third and we're going to be playing it down here. So if you've never seen an F sharp like this, here's a first for everything, right? So here's your B and then F sharp, and then you have a G sharp here, and then an E chord, and back to F sharp. You can play the regular F sharp or back to this one, so it doesn't really matter. So those are the chords: B, F sharp, G sharp, E, F sharp. Sorry, I played them lower here, now I'm playing them higher. You have options of how and where to play those chords. So B, F, G sharp, E, back to F sharp. Or this F sharp. Anyway, so those are the chords, and now we're moving to the melody portion of this introduction, and it looks like this. So you have this B. So if you don't want to play this, I've seen people play it like this. So if you're a beginner, this could be easier. Or you could go ahead and, hit this key. All right, so that repeats. And then you have this 1, 2, 3. Sorry, looks like this. And then again. 1, 2, 3, and then again. The 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that's kind of how the introduction goes. And you repeat this pattern for every single chord. So for example, you go into the verse. So that was the introduction. I know it seems a little intense and you do need practice with it, just for kind of playing it together with both hands, but it is doable and it's so beautiful. I mean, it's going to be worth it to play this introduction. Really prepares people for this beautiful song and for the powerful words. And then you step into the verse and you have a B chord. And then you have a D sharp minor, which is here's your D, here's the sharp of the D, and then it's a minor, so it looks like this. Jesus, Jesus, precious Lord. Now, you can either play this or you could even make it more beautiful, and instead of just playing D sharp minor, you could do a D sharp minor over or slash A sharp. Look at that effect. Isn't that so beautiful? Jesus, Jesus, precious Lord. Sorry, my singing is off, but you can tell that it has a dramatic effect. So. And then you have a C sharp minor. None on the earth nor. And then a regular E. And I'm playing my E inverted. So instead of playing my B here, I'm playing it here. Again, you have your B. That I have found more beautiful. C sharp minor. You are my treasure. And then an E. My great reward. And then you go into the chorus. So I'm going to do the verse, just kind of do it for you so you can see how I would play it. So I'm going to end with the introduction. Jesus, Jesus, precious light, none on the earth nor heavens above, that I have found more beautiful. You are my treasure, my great reward. So that's kind of the verse for you. You might have noticed maybe I added the flowy style in some chords where I thought it needed a little more, extra. Otherwise, it's really simple. After that verse, you can play F sharp. So, my great reward, and I just want to move your heart. It's all I want to do. I just want to stand in awe and pour my love on you, no matter how much the cost. I freely give it all to you, So I want you to notice that after this F sharp, the song literally just leaves you hanging. It almost feels like you want that fourth chord here. That's all I want to do. It's almost like you want to go to another chord, but they just kind of leave it. And I think that's really the beauty of the song, is just leaving that F sharp chord. So again, how I played that is I played the E chord inverted. You can always play it normally. And I did a little bit of a flowy style. I just want to move your heart. That's all I wanna do. I just wanna stand in awe. B, going to F sharp, and pour my love on you, no matter how. Then E, much the cost. B, then moving back to F sharp. I freely give it all to you. E, B, and then back to F sharp to you. Alright, so that's the chorus. It's really basic. I'm just adding some flowy style to make it a little more flowy. Otherwise, I feel like the biggest job that this song has is the voice, the vocals. It's not so much the piano. So that's the chorus. You go back into verse 2 and it's really similar. Jesus, Jesus, my offering, all my ambitions, my hopes and dreams. And here's my life, Lord, a sacrifice, oh, just to bless you. I just want to move your heart. And it kind of goes back into the chorus that's really similar to that first chorus. And then you have this beautiful bridge, and the chords for that are E, and then B, G sharp minor, and F. It's so beautiful. Is it a fragrance? Then I'll pour my oil out. Is it a life laid down? And here I give my vows. It is a song I sing. Then here's every melody. Just tell me what moves you. Tell me what moves you. Oh, chords for that, again, it's really simple, and I think that the vocals do the most in this song. But you have this E that I'm playing a different inverted style. So instead of playing E like that, I'm playing it like this. And then I'm playing B regular, G sharp minor, and then an F sharp. Really simple chords, you just kind of move through them. They're really similar. So now I'm just going to go through the entire song. I feel like this, the chords here are pretty repetitious. It's really fairly simple. I'm just going to do the entire song, okay? Jesus, Jesus, precious Lord, none on the earth, no heavens above, that I have found more beautiful. You are my treasure, my great reward. I just wanna move your heart. It's all I wanna do. I just wanna stand in awe and pour my love on you, no matter how much the cost. I freely give it all to you, to you. Jesus, Jesus, my offering, oh my ambition, my hopes and dreams. And here's my life, Lord, a sacrifice, oh, just to bless you. I just wanna move your heart. It's all I wanna do. I just wanna stand in awe and pour my love on you, no matter how much the cost. I freely give it all to you, to you. Oh, just to dwell in your house, waste my hours and my days on you. All of you. Is it a fragrance? Then I'll pour my oil out. Is it a life laid down? Then here I give my vows. Is it a song I sing? Then here's a melody. Just tell me what moves you. Just tell me what moves you. Is it a fragrance? Then I'll pour my oil out. Is it a life laid down? Then here I give my vows. Is it a song I sing? And here's every melody. Just tell me what moves you. Just tell me what moves you. I just wanna move your heart. Get caught within your gaze, right here in your presence, God. caught within your gaze, right here in your presence. God is where I wanna stay, oh, just to dwell in your house, waste my hours and my days on you. All on you. And that's how I would do this song. It's just such an impactful song. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.